Hello everybody, CJ Compton here at Hoover Road, Hoover Road, here in Milan, Ohio. We have a train coming, check it out, roll it. This is a eastbound train, and it is not far at all from this crossing. I don't know what the symbol on this train is yet, until it ends. And then maybe I will know, but anyway, here it comes. Roll it. Here it comes. Roll it. $136 cars, okay. The symbol on that train is the Norfolk Southern 10Q. Last time it was the 38N, the last train. So I am going to assume that one is the Norfolk Southern 10Q. With another rear DPU like the other train did, although it did not have as many engines in the front at all. The 10Q starts out in Bellevue, Ohio at the Mormon Yard, heads east to Conway, Pennsylvania, where it terminates. It is slowing down. I'm wondering if there's a westbound coming too. I better move in case this crossing malfunctions. Because it malfunctioned right in front of me last time. Or behind me, rather. Anyway, on to Sunday, August 10th of 2025 from CJ Compton on YouTube. And it looks like it's not going to malfunction yet. But anyway, if you haven't already subscribed to my YouTube channel and give my videos a thumbs up, that will help my channel out a lot. Anyway, I guess that's it. So let's roll it. I hope you all enjoyed, and that is it.